Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ledger Nano S. First, make sure you have your 24-word recovery phrase readily available, as it's crucial for restoring your device later. Connect your Ledger Nano S to your computer using the provided USB cable. Before proceeding, confirm that any important data or accounts are properly backed up and accessible. To initiate the reset, you'll intentionally enter an incorrect PIN 3 consecutive times. After the third incorrect attempt, your Ledger Nano S will display a message indicating that the device is being reset. This security feature automatically wipes all data and settings from the device, returning it to its factory state. This is a normal and expected part of the reset process. Once the device is reset, you'll be prompted to set it up as a new device or restore from a recovery phrase. Select Restore from Recovery Phrase and then carefully enter each of your 24 words in the correct order using the device buttons. After successfully entering your phrase, you will then create a new, secure PIN for your Ledger Nano S. With your device restored and a new PIN set, you can now install the applications for the cryptocurrencies you wish to manage. Connect to Ledger Live and add your accounts to verify that your balances are correct. Remember to always keep your 24-word recovery phrase stored in a safe, private, and offline location. This phrase is your ultimate backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.